Hello guys, this is Rex from Bigseller. Now in the video today, I want to share you with the logistics checking function on Bigseller. And we all know that we may come across many exceptional situations in the delivery process. For example, packages not scanned by courier, items lost during delivery, or no update for a long time. Therefore, Bigseller has launched a logistics checking function. You can monitor the package status and process orders with abnormal logistics in time. To use this feature, you can go to Bigseller Orders, Logistics Checking, and check your shipped orders for Shopee and Lazada. Here you can filter by marketplaces, stores, shipping method, shipped time. You can also search for specific orders here. And we divide your packages into several status, which are waiting, not found, in transit, arrived today, delivered, alert, undelivered, expired. For example, this order, you can see the checking number here and the latest logistics information. This is a test account, so no data here. All data here is from 17 check. It's updated every 6 hours, so there may be a delay when checking the logistics information. You can click the checking number or here to see the latest logistics details, or click here to see the order details. Okay, that's all about logistics checking on Bigseller. You can contact us if you have any questions. Again, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications. Thank you.